Life happens. Attitudes can change. Difficulties can be overcome. Rise with us. Bounce back to freedom. Give women freedom to make choices for themselves and their families, to explore opportunities and develop skills, to work towards financial security. Give women the support they need and see how they thrive. This is Adhyan's founding belief. When a woman is truly empowered, we see the impact trickle down to her family and her community. This applies to women from any strata of society. Meet Radha, a working woman and mother to a child with dyslexia. Radha recently separated from her husband and is now raising her child all by herself. Her single income must go a long way to cover household expenses and her daughter's education, including special therapy sessions.
ಹಲೋ
ಅದೇ 12
ನೋಡಿ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬಜಾರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ
ರಾಜು?
ಹತ್ರ ಸಾಮಾನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಪ್ಪ
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ತಾಳಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ದೀಪ್ತಿ how are you?
I know we were supposed to meet now. Let's connect in 10 minutes on Zoom. That works. All right then.
While juggling all these responsibilities, she also needs to care for her own mental health with counseling. Only then can she be present for her child. It's not easy,
Hey, hi Deepthi. How are you today?
but she keeps going.
Shall we begin? When Adhyan came into my life, I was struggling mentally, emotionally, and financially. I was overwhelmed with a lot of responsibilities that I wasn't prepared for. They helped me, encouraged me, and enabled me financially, which helped me get on my feet.
Radha's story is more common than you'd imagine. There are countless women, abandoned, separated, or widowed, who find themselves suddenly alone, with families to care for, bills to pay, and emotional trauma to overcome. They must strive to make ends meet while learning new skills and raising their families. All this while navigating the challenges of their new reality. That's where we step in. We believe that financial empowerment is the key to women's freedom.
The program that Adhyan is supporting is called Vyapar. It's a comprehensive MBA for rural women. Women are gathered in cohorts, women who are interested to become entrepreneurs. They go through financial literacy sessions, how to balance life and business, how to identify the right customers, make a business plan, make up a goal for themselves, and also do a SWOT analysis of their potential business. And it's a knowledge and skill building exercise for potential women entrepreneurs. And the idea is that once the capabilities are built, the women will be able to become entrepreneurs, support themselves, support their families, and of course the society.
Maunadhwani helps women in rural Orissa find livelihood security through textile craft.
Adhyan Foundation came into our lives at a very critical juncture of the Maunadhwani journey. We had just completed about 3 years in the village, engaging with the community, working with the women, understanding their craft, their culture, creating those 5 initial centers that we had created in the 5 villages around, and taking the women through a journey of being absolute novices in the craft, just entry level, to then moving them into experts. So word had got around, and that's when the women of Kanapur came to us and they said, please start in our village too. Now, starting a center is not easy because in those places you need to start from scratch. But the women said, don't worry about the infrastructure. There is a dilapidated school in our village. We will approach the authorities. We will get all the related permissions and get all of that done. We will also complete the registration. We will get the community together, make a list of the women, get all of that done for you. Now, this was a pleasant change for us, and just to see the enthusiasm and the excitement of the women and their drive in getting this done. And then it was our turn to keep the promise. And that's exactly when Adhyan Foundation approached us, and we got a call from them. And then with a few dialogues, they confirmed that they would handhold the Kanpur Center. When I got that call, I relayed the news to my team and the women, and it was a day of joyous celebration.
नमस्कार मो ना हूँ गौरी मुर्मू आम घर हूँ तुलियाबसी ये आम 2018 मसीह ट्रेनिंग नेले जो मो झी थी छुआ छुआ बेले देखी आम गाँव रुणाबुणी करूले आगु तो आम एमती जानी कौन बोली जानी जिनसटा कौन एटा कौन है कहीं आगु तो ये आम कम फाम करूँ गाँव बाहर बिलबाड़ी कम करे एत जाने जो मोहनधनी आसला फाउंडेशन मोहनधनी फाउंडेशन जो डाकिले आमको ये जोगाजोग करने ट्रेनिंग नेले ट्रेनिंग नहीं गामछा बुणले फास्ट तापर स्टॉल साड़ी बैग ये सब बुणुले जीक जहाँ भी मोहनधनी आमको जीक रोजगार आम कर पाखर आउ हाथ पतौने आम निज रोजगार निजे चलुचे आगु जो बापा माँ को मागुले दियो आमको खर्च एवं आउ मागुने आम निज रोजगार निजे
This has had a ripple effect on the community, lifting families out of poverty and creating economic prosperity and social well-being. It all begins with support for the well-being of women. That is Adhyan's purpose.